Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you on how you can adjust your videos and their sizes according to where you are going to upload them in InSTASHOT. For example, if you want to upload them on Facebook, Instagram Reel, or you want to upload them regularly on YouTube, so all sizes can be done and maintained following this method on InSTASHOT for free. So to do that, all you have to do is just follow my steps. First, you have to go to InSTASHOT and go into you're going to turn off the ads and go into the videos if you want to edit them. And I don't want to create a new video, so I'll click one of my old videos. I'll do that. And once I'm in here, so I have this video. I found this video is completely because I have added a background to upload it on my YouTube video. So if I want to edit that and make sure to adjust it according to Insta Reel or YouTube or Facebook Reel, I'll click on the option you can see on the left lower corner that says Canvas. So I'm gonna click on Canvas, and in here you can see it gives us an option because my picture. I have added this video as a picture in picture, but if you do a regular video, it will show up in here. So if I want to do it one-on-one on Instagram, on YouTube, and it can all be done and you can choose all options. See you in another video. Keep visiting Tiger Schooling and I hope this video helps.